Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to draw a reduction of a triangle by a scale factor of 1/3. And so, I'm going to start by looking at this length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So at the side, right, I would have multiplied by 3 so that I know how many squares will this be for the reduction. So I'm going to draw here, simple one. 1, 2, 3. Next, 1 small diagonal, 2 small diagonal, 3 small diagonal. 3 times 1/3 equals to 1, meaning that I am going to simply draw a one diagonal. And the last one is just to connect it. But you can see that it is actually one diagonal across 2 square. 2 and 3. So rightfully, right, when I connect this last length, it should be the case. And indeed it is. From 3 diagonal, it becomes 1 diagonal. With that, we have come to the end of solving this problem. So if you like this video, at any point in time, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.